This is a monthly reading for the Sun sign Aquarius for the month of August. In this reading, I will be taking out cards to know what is the area of focus or improvement for you, Aquarius. What is the strength you can work with, or what is the strength you can use to overcome any challenges that may come along. How's your social interactions looking, which is dealings with people at work, people in the outside world, your friends, people in the community other than your family. Then what is it that is unexpected and coming your way, and how's overall the month of August looking? Now basis these cards, wherever I see energy needs to be balanced, I will do Reiki distance healing to balance the chakras wherever it is needed. So let us see what is the guidance for you. Now please note that this is a general reading and not everything will apply to all the Aquarians, and whatever may apply will vary in the intensity. So first I'm asking is what is the area of focus or improvement for you? What is the strength you can work with? How's your social interactions looking? What is it that is unexpected and is coming your way? And how's overall the month of August? So Aquarius, the waiting time is over and this is the time to grab the opportunity. It's possible that if you've been wanting a financial success or you have put in a lot of effort, some of you who have probably even written a book, it's telling me that there is a success coming your way after a lot of work, trial and retrial. So some of you who have faced a lot of disappointments and failures and have got your work rejected for quite some time, there is a very big yes and a positive answer coming your way in the month of August. If you are in entertainment business and if your music or some kind of acting skills have not got the kind of appreciation you've been looking for, it's all coming together in the month of August for you. Some of you should see mending of relationships with your family members. So it's quite possible that if there was some bitterness and a fallout that may have happened and some time has passed over it, maybe a couple of years also, there is a patch up and a reunion which I'm seeing coming along in the month of August. So be very ready to grab this very beautiful positive energy which is coming your way, Aquarius. Some of you are just going to find a very beautiful love match, and it's possible that some of you Aquarians have just spent so long being alone that you have even forgotten that you can fall in love. And I am just seeing a great energy, love energy coming your way. So a lot of you Aquarians are not going to be single anymore. August is bringing in the good news. Some of you are looking for some long lost relative or a relation. It's looking like you will be able to have a breakthrough in the month of August. Now, what is the strength you can work with? The strength is Aquarius, you shouldn't be focusing on what has not worked out. You should be all geared up to look at what else is coming along your way. There is a great success coming along with even without any effort. It's as if a stroke of luck is coming along your way. With these two cards, it's telling me that August is going to be very, very rewarding for you, Aquarius. You're going to find something, or you're going to, this is the time of reunion and connecting with family, plus getting something despite lot of difficulties. And then there is a great stroke of luck which is working in your favor. Now the idea is, all you have to do is just focus on the active positive energy rather than something that has happened and not worked for you. So your strength is, you can take as long as you want and remain disconnected and unaffected with no matter how big the opportunity may come along. Now that is a great faith that you may have, that whenever you are ready you will create an opportunity for yourself. But when such a beautiful, easy opportunity is coming your way, Aquarius, you don't want to miss it. Just take it. This is also the month of grabbing opportunities. You get something, just take it. So, this is not the energy to say no to something that is coming so easily to you. Very beautiful energy. Some of you may just want to make some kind of social contacts because it's looking like it's going to do a world of good to you. Now, how will be your social interactions? Socially, you are someone very generous and you always place yourself in a very high regard. So, somewhere you feel that you're very secure, Aquarius. This is a very good energy. It's telling me you don't feel you've been denied anything. Your overall energy is someone who cherishes whatever he or she has got till now. So you are someone very content and happy as a person. So with such security, it's telling me your inner security is so good with how you feel about yourself that you're very, very helpful. You're very easy to help people around you. Very rarely someone gets turned away. So you should play on this energy. It's telling me with such a kind and generous nature that you may have, it's possible that a lot of people offer you help and ease of doing things, and you may not be playing on the energy of taking, you are only focusing on the energy of giving. So you should be balancing the two. So just as important it is to give, you should also help yourself by taking all the love and affection and easy opportunities that come your way. So you should be very, very receptive to receiving as well. So social circle is looking good. I'm seeing a lot of positivity and you being very generous and helpful to people around you. You're also a fair player. It's telling me that you will always do the right thing. So friends don't get turned away quickly. If someone wants help, in all likelihood you will go ahead and help. So you're also someone, if you see your friend or colleague or maybe someone needs help in finding a job, you are the first one to get their resume or CV to your department and try to help them find a job. So you are very helpful by nature, and this energy is telling me it has done a world of good to you. So be very open to the love you also get, and it will make your life doubly easy as well. So it's telling me because you are so secure of how you feel, sometimes you just walk away from easiest of opportunities just because you feel you are not ready. You may not want to miss such easy opportunities. And this is the month of grabbing opportunities. So whatever comes along and is a great promise, just take it. What is it that is unexpected and coming your way? There is some additional work coming. It's so there are a lot of riches coming. It's telling me there is some additional money coming. but along with money there is additional work also coming. So some of you are running business and you've been wanting to make a big profit. In August you are going to crack it big, but be also be ready for that extra work and extra hours that you may need to put up. So it's telling me unexpectedly there is a lot of money and demand for your products or your business which is going to come in. Now it's going to take every inch of your energy to deliver on that demand and the client requirement. So be very ready for additional money and additional work that will come along. So very beautiful energy. It's telling me unexpectedly your work is going to just scale up. So it may not be so unexpected also. It's quite possible that you've been wanting something for quite some time. There is a help which is coming, which if you grab it, it's all looking like it's coming together for you. So there is a big flow of money which is totally coming along. So a good month, but a bit of work as well. So you see, while you're so helpful with your friends, you give freely, you may also want to take help. You may not want to kill yourself with all the stress when the additional work does come up. So just think it through. What is it that you can do to manage this stress which will come unexpectedly? It's quite possible you may have to deliver some order within the shortest time. Or if some of you who are at work, it's possible that your colleagues may just go on leave or may have some kind of a personal urgency and their work may fall upon you. So you may just be want to be ready for this some additional work that is coming along. The good part is this work is not coming by itself. It's coming with the rewards. So if you are able to deliver, there is good riches to have. So a very beautiful energy. So how's overall the month of August? Now this is the month of grabbing opportunity. Be very ready, Aquarius. It's telling me if you are not ready mentally and physically to deliver or receive the opportunity, there are a lot of people waiting to just take the opportunity and run with it. So you don't want to play on this energy where you are just little bit focusing or being introspective and then energy comes and is taken and grabbed by someone else. So this is the reason we do tarot is to have a sneak peek of how things are looking in the future. So when I see there is an energy of an outside influence trying to grab an opportunity from you or take some share from which is rightfully yours, I'm going to do Reiki distance healing for the future energy so that you are able to grab onto the opportunity and it is not lost to some outside influence, because overall your cards are very good, very rewarding, and you're so secure. It's possible that sometimes people take advantage of you because you're so secure and you give freely. So it's possible that when people ask you for monetary help, they probably need 10 and they ask you for 100. And the reason they're asking for more is they're just taking an advantage of you. And you being a person who would rather give than say no, maybe you may be slightly getting abused for your kindness. So I'm going to charge your crown chakra. And the reason is I want these opportunities to be grabbed by you only and not some external influence to take it away from you. And I will also charge your heart chakra. You see, there is a very beautiful energy of a cup which is being handed to you from the universe. So if you're not paying attention, it's possible someone else can just play on this energy. So I don't want you to lose any opportunity purely because you're feeling a little bit disappointed. So I'm going to charge your heart chakra so that you feel very good about everything and you don't get so affected with your disappointments. So I want your heart chakra to be very, very vibrant and you not to feel so disappointed. And then I'm charging your crown chakra as well. So let us see what are the seven so cards and what is the energies on those seven cards corresponding to the chakra. So I will only be turning over is the crown chakra and the heart chakra. And the reason for that is those are the two chakras which I am going to balance and charge. So first is root chakra, then we have sacral, solar plexus, heart chakra, throat, third eye, and the crown chakra. Now in your heart chakra I have 9 of cups. This is a wish card which tells me that you're exactly going to get what you're looking for. And this is the energy I'm going to charge in your heart chakra because all your wishes are going to come in the matter true. All your wishes are going to come true in the matters of heart. And your crown chakra I want to charge it with more spiritual and a helpful energy so that people don't get away with what is rightfully yours. So this is about holding on to your success and opportunities. So you see, this is the energy of the world, which means this lady has been garlanded. She's been rewarded. So she got rewarded because she grabbed her opportunities. So this is a very beautiful energy which I'm going to charge for your crown chakra.